Governance. Corporate governance starts with management commitment and leadership. The top management has the responsibility to oversee the strategies, risk management approaches, and periodically review their regulatory compliances for their effectiveness and business continuity. Sustainability risks may impact your company's strategy and business operations. You will be answering questions related to strategy and oversight, ethics and integrity, sustainability risk management, stakeholder engagement, and sustainability disclosure. To complete the questions, you might need support from colleagues who are responsible for risk management, compliance, and communications.